Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 10 jobs that will likely be replaced by AI in the future. As technology advances, more and more jobs are becoming automated, and it's important to understand what the job market might look like in the years to come. Telemarketers. Telemarketing is a job that requires a lot of repetitive tasks, which can be easily replaced by AI. With AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants, companies can easily handle customer queries and sales calls without the need for human intervention. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks are responsible for inputting information into databases, but this job can easily be automated. AI-powered software can scan and input data with greater speed and accuracy than humans. Bank tellers. With the rise of online banking and mobile apps, bank tellers are becoming increasingly unnecessary. Many transactions that were once handled by tellers can now be done online or through ATMs. Receptionists. Receptionists are typically responsible for greeting visitors, answering phones, and scheduling appointments. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can easily handle these tasks, making human receptionists unnecessary. Cashiers. Self-checkout kiosks and automated payment systems are becoming more common in stores and supermarkets. This means that the need for human cashiers is decreasing. Drivers. Autonomous vehicles are already being tested on roads around the world, and it's only a matter of time before they become mainstream. This will lead to a significant reduction in the number of human drivers needed. Fast food workers. Many fast food chains are already experimenting with automated ordering and cooking systems. This means that the need for human fast food workers is decreasing. Customer service representatives. Customer service representatives are typically responsible for handling customer inquiries and complaints. However, with the rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, many of these tasks can be handled automatically. Factory workers. Many manufacturing processes are already automated, but with the advancements in AI and robotics, it's likely that even more factory jobs will be replaced by machines. Financial analysts. Financial analysis is a job that requires a lot of data analysis and number crunching. With AI-powered software, this job can be done with greater speed and accuracy than humans. So, those are 10 jobs that are likely to be replaced by AI in the future. While this might be concerning for those in these industries, it's important to remember that technology has always created new job opportunities in the past. It's up to us to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant in the changing job market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.